Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use Circle to Search AI on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin. So first, we want to simply press and hold our main menu button. Now, if you're using gestures, this will be the little bar you see on the bottom of your screen. And if you have free button navigation, you want to click the main button that gets you into the main screen. And you want to simply press and hold it. And this should enable the Circle to Search. So if it's not happening to you, this means that you probably have it disabled. So let's enable it together. First, you want to navigate into your settings. Now, inside settings, you want to scroll down into display. And inside display, you want to scroll into navigation bar. As you can see here, we have Circle to Search, and you want to touch and hold this home button or the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. So as you can see, if I'm going to disable this, now this doesn't really work anymore, and nothing is happening whenever I press and hold my screen. And if you're curious, this is how this looks like on free button navigation. You simply want to press and hold it, and the same thing is going to happen. Now, if you just click the entire screen normally, you should technically take a screenshot of your entire screen, or a part of it, and then you can search information about it. But of course, we need internet, so let me quickly gain internet access. And as you can see, the moment I got internet, we have the search image. I will try to use it once again so you can see. So I'm pressing and holding the button, not these buttons, this button. And now I can, for example, circle this little doggy here. And now we are asking Google about this image. As you can see, we do have an AI overview which says that, well, this image features a pug dog wearing a heart-shaped sunglasses, which checks out, and we have some information about it, and we can also go into some other visual matches, and also if you want to, we can, for example, go into about this image, and then we'll specifically go into searches about this image with information, for example, how old similar images are. And basically this feature is very, very good for researching and finding things that you don't know the name of. Like, I would say, if you have seen like a random screenshot of a show, you think it's cool, but you don't know its name, you can press and hold the Circle to Search, you can circle it, and then you should be able to get information about that like show or like a game or anything else. It's a very, very powerful feature, and yeah, that's, to be honest, all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.